Want to make money while you sleep? Learn how AI technology can be the key to generating passive income streams that work tirelessly just for you. Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make money fast with ChatGPT. Today, I'll be showing you the fastest way to make money online using ChatGPT and AI. This method requires no upfront investment and can be done in just a few minutes. So, without further ado, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about sales copy. This skill involves writing persuasive scripts for businesses and professionals. It used to be a difficult skill to acquire. But with ChatGPT, we can create scripts almost as good as mid to senior level professionals. And let me explain how it can be done. For instance, let's say you want to write a sales script for selling watches. You can use ChatGPT to generate a script and then make adjustments based on feedback. If they want to remove a discount, you simply update the script accordingly. It's a simple process of refining the script based on the client's preferences. Now that we have discussed all of that, what you want to do now is to proceed into making your resume. On platforms like Fiverr, people charge high prices for these services. However, with ChatGPT, you can provide high-quality resumes and cover letters at a more affordable rate. Let's say you want to write a resume for a software developer. After generating the resume using ChatGPT, you can further improve it by adding industry-specific keywords. This helps the resume stand out to employers using scanning software, with faster delivery and lower prices. There's a great opportunity to make money in this field. To do just that, what you want to do next is to press your search bar and type in chat.openai.com or just simply search ChatGPT on Google. As you can see, my account is already signed in on ChatGPT. So just kindly sign in to your account before proceeding. However, if you do not have a ChatGPT account, what you want to do is just sign up or log in an existing account of yours like Gmail for example. Once here, you can already start chatting with the AI. Now, what we are going to do is ask the AI to make a script for us. So, just type in, write a resume for a software developer. After it's generated, another thing that you can do is to add keywords to make your resume a lot more impressive and specific. After the text generated, you can even add keywords by typing add keyword tech to the resume. And as you can see, the bot will generate you a resume with keywords that overall enhances the resume. So now that you have a resume, you can now go ahead and look for jobs in Upwork that are focusing SEO blogs. Because ChatGPT is most efficient in blogs like this. So let's say that you have found a blog that the topics revolve around dogs. What you are going to do is go back to ChatGPT and ask the bot to write a 200 words blog about dogs. So, once your blog has generated, if you want your blog to have a little bit of variation, what you can just do is type add energy. And then, the AI will regenerate the blog in a much livelier tone. Anyways, If you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now make money fast with ChatGPT. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.